In this video, we will show you how dropshipping works automatically through Shopify. Before we start, what is dropshipping? This is the way to start a business without spending thousands of dollars on rent, inventory, warehouse, and so on. You can start this business by only having a Shopify online store for $29 per month. That's right, worldwide business existence only for $29. Dropshipping is a term to describe when you sell a product through your online store and direct the orders to the wholesalers such as Aliexpress, and the supplier will send out the product directly to your customers, so that you don't need to worry about shipping and packaging. An excellent wholesaler will have product rating testimonials from the products listed in order for you to have confidence for the vendor. And if the product is damaged or mistaken during delivery, they will provide you with a return policy that's usually done by returning the item back to the supplier's warehouse. Everything can be arranged with Shopify. You can configure the operations so that it runs automatically. To be successful in dropshipping business, you will need to monitor certain market trends and market your branding correctly. To start dropshipping, please open your Shopify account and switch to apps. Click Visit Shopify App Store. Type Oberlo, then add app. After you install the Oberlo app, you can see it on the apps menu. Click Search Products, and these are the products offered by Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a company under Alibaba. If you want to buy via Alibaba, there will be a minimum order quantity or MOQ. But in Aliexpress, there is no minimum order. So in order for you to gain large profits, you must be smart to choose products at prices those are a lot cheaper than retail prices in the market. Selling a 50-cent product for $5, for example, giving you a 10x profit. Here you can type the product keyword and click search. You can click Add to Import List so that Oberlo can enter the product into your application. Actually, there is another way to add products from Aliexpress to Oberlo. It can be done by accessing the Aliexpress website itself. In here, we can click the Orders tab. And the search results will be composed of the best-selling products. Click on the product. From here, we can import this product to Oberlo by copy and paste the website URL. Then go back to Oberlo and click Import Product by URL. Enter the URL and click Import. After this, you can see the product in the import list. Click Import List. From here, you can manage descriptions of the products, and all information from Aliexpress will be also included here and can be changed according to your reference. After you set everything up, you can import the product to Shopify by clicking Import to Store. Now your products will be listed in the Products section. This method is very easy and you just need to get used to the setup process. After that, everything will operate automatically. Besides Oberlo's Aliexpress, there are other applications that can connect Shopify with other wholesalers such as Modelist and Dropwow. That's all about dropshipping. Everything can be arranged according to your creativity and imagination. Many have succeeded and created hundreds of thousands of dollars through this business model. If they can do it, surely you can too. Imagine the target market in the world you can market to. You can sell goods online to America, Europe, the Emirates, Australia, and so on. Thank you for following the tutorial with us. Hopefully it can be useful, and don't forget to register yourself on our website and subscribe on our YouTube channel to get access to our exclusive tutorials.